Hello from Slovenia again. So yesterday I did the reverse flower dip with PVA glue. It's just, PVA glue, washable PVA glue, kids zone, so it should be good for kids too. And yesterday I had my pearl white mixture a little too thin, and the painting when I stopped filming went just wonky, and I just scraped it because I didn't want to waste canvas. I already wasted some paint, so didn't want to. And today I will use this glass instead of my flower shaped cup, and I will pour just some black around. And because I don't want that big black blob of paint in the middle, hopefully this will help to not have it. So I did thicken up all my paints a little bit, just add a little more paint to the mixture, because I did mix it like I do with my pouring medium, 2:1 ratio, and obviously this don't work for the glue, so you can probably see that it's quite thicker, even the black, so maybe it will not spread as much. Hopefully I can do sides later, so I will not bother about the sides much, because I can, add paint to the sides later, just that it will not be too long. But it looks so weird because my sides are not black. Okay, so I will just torch this base a little bit, because with the glue I get a ton of air bubbles, so let's do that once more. So I will start with pearl white, and as you can see, it's quite much thicker than yesterday. So these paints with the glue mixture are so different than my pouring medium. They just drip much more. So, and the gold, have to be careful with these drips with the glue. And I will add less pearl white this time. I will just add it like with the stick, and I dripped again. I don't like glue. And copper. I can already tell that I'm not a fan of glue. But I just want to experiment a little bit, just to maybe help you get some nice flowers. But I can already see that it's totally pearl white, totally eating my colors again. Let's see what will happen. So less pearl white. And the gold again. And pearl white again. and copper again. And pearl white again. And alizarian crimson, and this will be it, because I'm using just little 8x8 canvas today, because I don't want to waste bigger canvases, because I don't know if this will work even or not. So let me grab a skewer, and it's just spreading and spreading and spreading. I don't know, I'm not used to that with my pouring medium, so it's just something weird for me. Let's remove the cup and wait for the paint to flow towards the middle. I will help it a little bit, and you can see that it's already flowing off the sides almost. Oop. Okay, so let me do this quick with the paper napkin. So I will spray my paper napkin to wet it down. And I will leave this one to dry, even if it will not work, just to show you on my Sunday live what happened, because, you know, but yesterday I was so disappointed at that spreading of the paint that I was just, okay, I will just scrape this off real quick before I will ruin the canvas, because I don't know, sometimes you are just so disappointed that you don't want to even look at the dry result or whatever. So let me, and I did an awful job with the napkin yesterday. That was another thing that went wrong, so obviously yesterday wasn't my day at all. So let me grab this side and this side and this side. I don't know, maybe it's even because of the glue, because it's total different consistency, you know. Not thicker, thinner, or whatever, but it's just weird and sticky, and I did an awful job with the lifting part again. But I see more color today, and my pearl white don't eat my colors as much, hopefully. Will not eat my colors as much, I have to say. So I will just pour a little black here just to cover my sides, because they bother me. And I will go with the palette knife to just cover it. Much better, I think. So definitely paint should be much thicker with this glue than with my pouring medium, because my consistency was like I normally use with my pouring medium, and obviously with the glue this is not the case, because you know I have a binder in my pouring medium. Yes, glue is a binder too, but obviously, not obviously, I know that it's not, because it's not my binder. It's made for, you know, mixing pigments and do paints with it, but the glue is not that kind of binder, but it's still binder. And start spreading again, you see. But it is better, but I just don't know what I can still add to the glue to maybe get a better result. Maybe some varnish, it could be, you know. But as I said, I will leave this one to dry, just that you will see. So I will take you for a close-up. So here is a close-up. As you can see, it is a little better, but not a lot. I didn't get the same lacing as I do with my pouring medium. I like my lacing way more. And it's just spreading. This is not happening with my pouring medium, so I really don't know. As I said, I will try to add some varnish in it for my next try, because I still have those paints. I will just add some Minwax polyacrylic varnish probably and see if this will help, but I don't know, you see, just still not there. So PVA glue, reverse flower dip, take 2, still not happy. Better, but still not there. So I will do one more try tomorrow. If you want to see, you can. I publish my videos every day. Normally, if something isn't coming through, around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!